Hello fellow makers and tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel and a Back to Basics video. Today we're diving into the incredible world of Arduino, the DIYer's best friend when it comes to turning your wildest electronic dreams into reality. First things first, what is Arduino? Well, think of it as a tiny brain for your projects. Arduino is an open source electronics platform equipped with a microcontroller that can be programmed to perform a myriad of tasks. It's like the magic wand of the DIY world, allowing you to bring your ideas to life no matter how wild or complex they may be. Now let's talk about how it works. At its core, Arduino boards consist of a microcontroller, input and output pins, and a USB connection. These boards act as the brains of your projects, receiving and processing data from various sensors, buttons, or input devices, and then executing a set of instructions to control outputs like LEDs, motors, or displays. To get started with Arduino, you'll need a few key components. Of course, you'll need an Arduino board. They're inexpensive and there are various models catering to different needs. You'll also need basic electronic components like resistors, LEDs, and sensors. For prototyping, a breadboard is essential, allowing you to experiment with circuits without soldering. And of course, a USB cable to connect your Arduino board to your computer. One of the coolest aspects of Arduino is the vast online community and resources available. If coding isn't your strong suit, fear not. There are numerous websites and forums where you can find pre-written code for a wide range of projects. Websites like GitHub, Arduino Project Hub, and various forums provide a treasure trove of code snippets and complete projects, making it easier than ever to jumpstart your own creations. Now, let's explore where Arduino can shine in your projects or hobbies. Whether you're into robotics, home automation, or just want to create interactive art, Arduino's versatility makes it perfect for a variety of applications. Picture this, building a custom weather station outside your house that gives you real-time updates on weather on your window. Or maybe you want to design a motion-activated LED display for your room. With Arduino, the possibilities are practically limitless. If you're a beginner, don't be intimidated. Arduino is designed with beginners in mind, and there's a wealth of tutorials or communities ready to help you along the way. Start with simple projects and gradually build your skills with confidence. In conclusion, Arduino is a game changer for anyone with a passion for DIY electronics. So grab an Arduino, explore the online resources, and let your creativity run wild. The only limit is your imagination. This is the first in a series of Back to Basics videos that I'm hoping to post. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Happy tinkering, and until next time, keep making, keep coding, and stay curious. Thanks for joining. See you soon.